Guys, I'm doing my first unboxing. Okay, I got a new mic, got it attached to my beard mic guy. What's up? I like it. Hang in. Who's clipping their mic to their beard? Yo. Psh. Anyways, I got this new um, Insta360 Flow 2 AI tracker camera, or AI tracker. Oh yeah, looks pretty cool. Got a built-in selfie stick, built-in tripod. It's foldable. It looks like it's about half the size of the one that I had before. Let's go ahead and let's do an unboxing for y'all. Oh yeah, call me the beard mic guy. All right, let's see what we got on the Insta360. I did a lot of research because I was trying to find something that wasn't crazy expensive. It was $99 for this bundle, but the bundle comes with the AI tracker. It comes with the 360 Flow 2, which is the thing that holds it, and a magnetic phone clamp too. Looks like there is the USB-C to A cable also. All right. First off, we have the instructions. It's listed on the page. Looks like you could hit that QR. What will you capture? All right. Looks like tells us how to do some tripod positions, quick grip, low grip, and then looks like there's probably some more instructions within here too. Okay. Looks like we got a case to hold it. Handful of a quick start guide right here. We'll set that aside. Safety guidelines. Yeah, probably say, hey, don't be trying to do some crazy shit driving. Oh, nice. I got a sticker too. And a warranty card. And it looks like the instructional guide also, besides the quick start guide. Here, oh, it looks like here's here is the AI tracker. Ooh, snap. Looking good. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else here. We have the setup guide. Connect and tap with the Insta360 app. All right. Let's go over here. Here's that magnetic clip to hold the phone. Pretty cool. Stretches out. Okay, I got a big phone. I got the S25 Ultra. So hopefully it holds it. And then here is, I got the gray one. They had a white one, but I like gray. Whew. Also, I was missing the charging cable. Didn't come out of here too. Oh, snap. And one of these gel packs. Do not eat this, okay? This will hurt you. Don't eat it, okay? Ooh, smooth. Oh, I'm gonna have to learn a lot with this thing. Oh yeah, I could feel the flow. Pretty cool. I'm gonna have to set it up, but I like it so far. I'm gonna have to set it up, get it hooked up to the app. But let's see. I'm gonna grab my other phone that I got and see how it feels. It's my work phone. Utilizing my other phone here, recording us. Nice. Actually, I don't know. Oh, oh yeah. I'll have to get used to playing with it. Oh, look at that. It's pretty cool. Then once I read the instructions, what I'm going to do, I'm pretty sure this plugs into there for the AI piece of it, or to watch me. But so far, I like it. Looks like I'm going to be able to do some pretty cool stuff with it. The Insta360 Flow 2. I'll do another video after I get it programmed so you guys can see it also. Let's go.